to make a motorcycle. First, you need this. First, you need these blocks. Any slab you want. I'll choose andesite. So, next, use a grindstone. A grindstone. Where's the grindstone? Okay, the grindstone. Okay. And next, item frame.
Oo nga, naghahanap nga ako eh.
Redstone block.
Nagkalagnat ako eh, hindi ako makaalis ng bahay eh.
And then a block of gold.
Nagkaroon ako ng problema
Or maybe
eh.
glowstone.
Eh, hindi mo ba
And then
mapapakiusap
also
yung
a
ano?
sign.
Dr. Ramo.
Also a sign. Any sign you want. Any sign you want. I'll choose oak.
Kaya gagawin ko
Any
doon.
fence gate you want. I'll get oak. So first, make a block like this. Then get this, and then you break the block on the side of it, and then or in the front, and put a grindstone. Also, put polished on this side.
Tawag mo na lang sa akin.
Now, and then you do this and again, and then you put the fence gate.
O sige, sana naman
And then you put the fence gate. I'm gonna. For some reason, I hate that. Again.
Oo nga eh, sabi ko nga eh, may sumisingit eh.
Let's do this. Oh, so realistic. Okay. Now you put the item frame on any side. On both sides. You put a block of gold on this side. You can use the glow item frame. And then you put the redstone. And you're done. You have a motorcycle.